How to cancel Preply subscription in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can stop your Preply subscription quickly so you avoid future charges and stay in control of your payments. Start by opening Preply on your browser or app and signing into your account. Once inside, go to your profile and find the settings or billing section. This is where subscription details and lesson plans are managed. Look for your active learning plan or subscription. Tap or click it to open more details. You should see options related to payment, renewal, or plan management. Choose the option to stop renewal or cancel the subscription. After selecting cancel, the platform may ask why you are leaving. Choose any reason and continue. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. This step finalizes the request and stops automatic future billing. Once completed, check your subscription status. It should show that renewal is turned off. You can still use any remaining lessons or time that has already been paid for until the billing period ends. If the cancel option does not appear, make sure you are logged into the correct account and that the plan was purchased directly through Preply. If it was purchased through an app store, the cancellation must be done through the store's subscription settings. For extra confirmation, check your email for a cancellation notice. This message usually confirms that automatic payments have stopped. Canceling a Preply subscription mainly involves opening your billing settings, stopping renewal, confirming the change, and verifying that no future charges are scheduled. After that, your account stays active until the current paid period finishes, but no new payments will be taken.